Hey friends, hey, welcome back to our PDCA The Vote series. Voting goes beyond casting a ballot. It's about making an informed decision. While national elections get a lot of attention, state and local elections are equally important. This is week 5, and we're diving into the critical topic of candidate research and how the PDCA cycle makes researching candidates simple and effective. First, in the plan phase, identify the issues that matter most to you, whether it's Social Security, jobs, or foreign policy. Narrow down what's critical to you and your family. As a Black woman, proud aunt, small business owner with an aging parent, issues like civil rights, reproductive rights, education, healthcare, and Social Security matter to me. Next is the do phase. Get familiar with your ballot. Use tools like ballot.vote.org. Again, that's ballot.vote.org to pull up a sample ballot so you know exactly what is on the ballot in your area. Then we have the check or the study phase. This is where the magic happens. Create a checklist comparing candidates on the issues you care about. Research each candidate's platform, their track record, and their values. Does their vision align with yours? Are they consistent in what they say and what they do? Look into who's supporting them, who's endorsing them, who's funding their campaign. Use multiple nonpartisan sources to verify the candidate's claims and understand how their policies align with what's important to you, your values, and the greater good. Then there's ACT. Stay open, stay receptive to revisiting and updating your research as new information is learned. Share your findings with family and friends and encourage them to do their own research. Remember, our decisions at the polls affect us, our communities, and future generations. Let's make sure, let's be certain that we stay engaged and informed, and let's commit to making our voices heard and our votes count.